Good morning, board. My name is Brad Dacus. I'm an attorney and founder of the Pacific Justice Institute. We have 5 offices in California, 5 full-time attorneys defending parental rights without charge. I'm going to try to keep this real succinct. It's important to take note that with regard to the California Healthy Youth Act, yeah, there's a floor, but there's also still opportunity that boards have to still recognize parental rights in a very important way. First is with regards to age appropriateness. Parental review committees can be formed lawfully to not just simply hear opinions, but actually give a recommendation. And we've actually implemented those in several school districts in California. Santa Rosa is one of them on issues in the past. That helps breed parental trust, and we highly recommend it. They can also review curriculum and other materials. This should be a mainstay, a common point for school districts across California. Second, disclosure. Meaningful notice needs to be provided. Is it mandated? I got that point. But it can be provided, it needs to be provided, and meaningful notice means full disclosure to parents so that no parent is surprised when their child comes home and talks about something they saw or heard or was exposed to. Teachers can do that. It can participate on their webpage, providing clear information about the topics they're going to be talking about, whether this deals with history, sociology, etc., but also all the materials and even the textbooks, the literature. This breeds parental trust, which is so critical and important. And then we also noticed that one thing about parental trust that we've done at Pacific Justice Institute is we've been encouraging school districts, specifically on the issue of parental consent for leaving campus, to have as a matter of policy that no child shall ever be allowed to leave campus without parental consent, with the exceptions of medical emergencies. We've gone head-to-head with the ACLU 6 times, 6 different school districts. All 6 times they've sided with us and adopted our recommended policy. So, I think that's very constructive as well. We must have be inclusive. The language of this act requires that they be inclusive. And inclusivity means inclusive of everyone, all parents, of different religious backgrounds. We have a wide diversity of parents with different perspectives. Sensitivity and tolerance to that diversity is mandated, and that is where school districts, school boards, and your board come into play. Parental involvement is critical for successful education. But parental involvement necessitates parental trust. And that parental trust comes through policies and ordinances that are adopted by school boards to make a difference. Yes. Thank you very much. We're here to serve you. God bless you.
Conley, I have another card.